Well, the S10's home. So, been moving things around in the garage so we got space for it, and can put it back in, and we'll finish up the tractor we're working on and we'll get back to it. How about a funny story? So as you can see, I got this S10 extended cab sitting on my trailer. So I drove up to Pontypool and picked this up this afternoon, and I bought exactly what you see here, plus the other fender and an inner fender, and then there was this fender too, which is actually not a bad fender if somebody needs one, for $27.50. So I put a $50 bid on it just cuz, and then I got looking at it. What do you figure the odds are here? So Ryan had my S10 for about 12 years before I got it. So that puts us to 14-ish years between the two of us. And he bought a used box off a guy. Well, I've now confirmed it. This is the rest of the body from that truck. If you look, the fender flares match up. Obviously the hideous color does too, and the red paint underneath the green. So this is actually the rest of my S10, kind of. So yeah, I paid 27 bucks, well 28 for it. And it's got a lot of good stuff in it. It's got a nice back window in it. It's got another cargo light. I'll show you the inside. It's got the small mirrors on it. Most of the reason why I bought this truck, you know that I bought a set of these truck seats, right? So there's another set here, but more importantly, there's the door panels that match. So there's also a nice tilt column in here, and a bunch of other stuff all just kind of scattered in the back here. Lots of spare trim pieces, and oh, there's a body lift. I don't know what kind of shape these seats are in. Now this one's kind of not in the greatest of shape. This one's in good shape though. Like, this one's usable if somebody wanted to use it. But yeah, I bought it for the door panels, and then I noticed it's got like a nice center console here too. And then there's actually a pair of brand new rocker panels in the back of here too. But yeah, I was mostly just after the center console. And the oh, the freaking lid's not broken. Awesome. Yeah, because those lids are always broken. Oh, look, a torque converter and a computer. Yeah, this one was a 4x4. Wiper arm, air filter. Oh, set of good taillights with the chrome on them. That's cool. We can use those. Upper rad hose with a water neck on it. Like I said, two brand new rocker panels. That is an interior trim piece. There's more trim pieces, another wiper arm, headlight housing. Oh, another one of those four-wheel drive things. That's cool. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Oh, there's the 4x4 shift boot. Yeah. Oh, there's another one of those shift boots. Huh. Cool. I'd say we done okay.